Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. Welcome back to the Extras channel. We have an unboxing today of a couple of iPads that I got at Walmart today. These were only $250, and this is the new 6th generation iPad 9.7. That's a really good deal. I have two iPads that both of my daughters use, and they are old and beat up. Even though I have them in an OtterBox case, both screens are essentially smashed to bits. And I'm hoping now that they're both older that these will last a little bit longer. I did order some very rugged cases that come in tomorrow, so hopefully these will not get as destroyed. So let's take a look at one of them here. That price, I really couldn't pass this up, and it was definitely something I was meaning to do. Now what's nice about these new iPads is that they support the Apple Pencil, so I'm going to do a full review of what you can do with the low-end iPad a little later this week, so be on the lookout for that on the main channel. So we'll power this one up here. They have the fingerprint sensor, the 9.7-inch Retina display, so all of the things that you would expect on a full-size iPad you get here. The processor is a couple of years behind, but you know what? On iPads it really doesn't matter just because most of the software is targeted at around what this device is capable of. So certainly the iPad Pro that I have upstairs is a lot more powerful, but for the kids, this is going to be just fine, and I am excited to get going with this and review it for all of you, and we'll see exactly how this one compares to some of the other Android tablets we've looked at that often cost around the same. In the box here we have the iPad itself, a lightning cable, and then you've got your instructions here just to get started with, and then of course your Apple stickers, which are hard to see on camera here. And then we have the power adapter, which is a 12-watt power device, and that is it. Now this is the 32-gigabyte iPad. Again, it was $250 at Walmart, and I suggest if you are in the market for one, maybe you should get it now before the price goes up. I saw these at around $319 at B&H the other day. Apple, of course, sells them for $329. But altogether, a really good deal on a really nicely performing tablet. Stay tuned. We'll have a full review as to exactly how this thing performs against some of the other devices we have looked at very shortly once that pencil comes in. And thank you all for watching. You can find my main channel at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.